A state-level observation of World Literacy Day 2022 was organized by the State Education Mission Authority of Meghalaya, Samgrah Shiksha Abhiyaan, on the 8th of September 2022 at St Claret Hall, Mawpat, Shillong. The MLA of Pynthorumkhrah constituency, L Hek, graced the occasion as chief guest. Others present included the Commissioner and Secretary Education Department, Government of Meghalaya, and also State Mission Director SEMAM-SSA, Dr. BDR Tiwari, the State Project Director SEMAM-SSA, Ambrose Ch Marak, the Deputy State Project Director SEMAM-SSA, Dr. Andrew Warjri, the State Planning Community Mobilization Gender Coordinator SEMAM-SSA, Jennifer Synrem, school students, teachers, officials of the Education Department, Government of Meghalaya, besides others. During the event, the students of St Claret Higher Secondary School, Nongmensong, Shillong, presented a welcome song, while other performances included a dance item by the OOSC SPARK, a special song by the OOSC NERDWM, and a special item by students of St Joseph's Higher Secondary School, Pynthorumkhrah, Shillong. While addressing the gathering, the MLA of Pynthorumkhrah constituency, L Hek, said that parents should ask themselves why children are out of school and why they opt out of studies. Stressing on the importance of education, L Hek said that self-respect and self-discipline are the values that impact the family, society, and the world at large, insofar as they encourage individuals to reach their goals. The distribution of the Swachh Vidyalaya Puraskar Awards and mementos marked the State Education Department's observation of World Literacy Day 2022. The official function came to a close with the singing of the national anthem that was led by students of St. Peter Secondary School, Mawpat, Shillong, and students of Pynthorumkhrah SSA Upper Primary School, Golfings, Shillong.
If we have asked ourselves before, why the children are out of school? Why our children are not going to study? The reason is because we are unorganized family. We are not organized family. Today, our parents, the father, mother, they have their own busy life. The children, the growing up, they have their own busy life. If we have organized a point of time to tell them today we need to sit together and think what we are going to be imparting educations to our children. What our parents used to say about our children. If we do have to organize ourselves, we have not till today, I'm telling you. And a very important I'd like to tell you. The self-respect. Many of us here, the officers from the Education Department, the Commissioner, the Secretary, the police, and everybody who are here, the young children, did you have asked yourself that you are the self-respect? If you have not asked all these years, you want to ask yourself first, whether I have self-respect or not.